I recently noticed that the icons in my Android Studio just got missing. I couldn't see what I used to see. For example, setting is not there, people icon is not there, other icons like restaurant icons are not there anymore. So I don't know if this has happened to you before. So we are going to see how to restore missing icons in Android Studio. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. So if this has happened, if you want to get it done, this is how to fix it. So I have a pretty recent or updated Android Studio, but for some reason that thing is not working. So if you want to fix that issue, what you need to do, click on settings, click on SDK manager. Then you get to this place, this environment. Here you locate Android SDK, Android SDK location. Look at it in my own. So highlight and copy that address, then paste it in this area, in this file explorer, then press enter. So it takes you directly to that environment, to the folder where the icons are. So click on the icons folder, click on material. Let me zoom in for you to see it. Then look for this icon that's called material.txt. Delete it. So once you delete it, that pretty much settles it. It makes it update it immediately when you come back to your Android Studio. So go back to this drawable now. Then look for new. Then look for vector asset. Then click on clip art. Then if you search for the missing one, like the one in my case, settings, see that is there now. So settings icon is there, and all the other related icons are there. Settings icons are here now. Then if you go to restaurant, you can see I have all the icons here. Then go to people, you can see all the icons regarding that are here now. All right, so let me just add one so you can see that it's there. So if I pick that and click on OK, so you see that it is added right here. So click on next, you can give it a name or whatever, then click on next, and you see that it is there now. Click on next, then click on finish. So see that the icon is there, so you can see it right there. So if you click on the icon, the file here at the left here, you can see that the icon loads. So that is how to bring back missing icons in Android Studio. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video and share it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.